Hi and welcome to Blank Pages. Before we get started, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe with notifications turned on so that you don't miss any new videos. This double page kit is from Pat's Creative Solutions with all the details in the description below. I had some random end of summer photos and this kit turned out to be perfect for saving those memories. Also, if you have ever had extra photos that you would love to include in your story, but that just don't fit on your page, I'll show you a very cute way of adding these photos to any kit. So let's get started with page 1. So this is page 1 and the frames and textured paper look great. Keep an eye out now for the special fold in page 2. So here I have my extra photos and I'm going to be placing them with some journaling inside this cardstock flap. It is secured with a brad and a rotating lock. On page 2, the lined paper on the right can also be used for notes, dates and journaling. Here we go, our 2 pages are finished and I think they turned out great. Actually, they're making me miss the summer even more.